project. It's going to be 21 inches wide. We're going to have a border going around the existing concrete here with then a step down. I'll show you the grade. So we excavated and kind of leveled out. Now we're bringing some base rock, throw that down. We got another house with a view right on the golf course here, so nice place to work, beautiful day. So this is going to have a fire pit in it, so that's a stub out for the gas. You can see where we excavated all the way along here, so that's going to have a ledge coming out, the extension of 21 inches of paver, step down, and then the paver base right here. So keep it posted. Maybe I'll do a time lapse on this one, we'll see. So we've been shooting a laser. We have our laser here. This helps us kind of get grade and everything, so now we're kind of level all the way going through. We'll put an inch of base sand down, which helps with the leveling. We could just do the base rock, but you have to be a little more perfect for that. With the base sand allows you to level as you go, and also I think it works better in the long run as far as keeping pavers compacted and level. So keep you guys posted. So back at the paver job, we're coming down, we're just finishing up. So we ended up adding a step here instead. This thing looks really good. Got the paver border going on. So we do a little retaining wall here on the side. You can see that. And the bench. I think it's turned out really nice. We cut all the joints so they're nice and tight. And this fire pit puts off a lot of heat. I didn't bring a lighter to show you everybody working, but it's really nice. It'd be really nice for them coming in the colder months. But even just here, we get nice, cool Indian summer, so you'll be able to enjoy this all year round. And I really like how the stone, we can get the nice radius out of it. And it's perfect height for sitting down. In the step, we were gonna raise this up a little flush, and then when we showed them that it was gonna be, you know, the step sizes, they opted to drop this down and do a larger step. He's a tall guy, 6'6", so it said his foot's too big for smaller, but we just gotta do a little bit of sweeping. But we had a big rainstorm yesterday, but another job complete, and they can enjoy the beautiful view and the golfers. See you in the next one.